Hey guys, I'm going to actually do a video and I'm going to talk to you about my rhetorical triangle, and I'm going to use The Office. I am a huge Office fan. I am currently 16 times through The Office. I'm starting my 17th here pretty soon. But those of you who have not seen The Office, I'll try to explain the best I can so that you understand how each person represents what I think they do. The first person I'm going to start off with is Dwight Schrute. I think he is a logos. The reasons why is he's the top salesman every year. Um, he shows time and time again that he's the best salesman. Like, it doesn't matter what is happening or who does really good at selling paper. He sells paper the best. There's an episode where they switch to like an online paper chain where you can just like go in and click and go, buy paper. You got to think this was back in 2004, 2005, so like, the internet was just starting to get big. But he actually beats the computer, the online that you can, buy paper from. So that was like a huge thing, and he's just the best. Um, he never misses a day. He actually shows this big chart. He comes in and he shows this big chart of every day that he's been to, and he hasn't even missed a holiday. Um, but he's very organized with all of his work, and all of his desk. He even has a part in an episode where he makes a mega desk, and he has his work over here, and he has his call line over here, and he can game over here, and he comes like us. He just falls in love with this mega desk, and because he's so organized. So that's Dwight. My next is Jim Halpert. I think he is a pathos because there's a lot of reasons why I think Jim's a pathos. He cares about everyone in the office, and he's also loved by everyone in the office. Now, Jim, he is not the hardest working guy in the office, I'll be honest with you. He does the bare minimum, but he is good enough that he can do the bare minimum and still get by. But he finds love in the office. He finds love with a receptionist named Pam, and they fall in love, and that's a reason why Jim stays at work. He stays there because of Pam. He actually moves a different location. There's different branches of Dunder Mifflin is the company name, but he actually moves, and he misses Pam so much that when he moves back, they immediately hit it off. But that's why he's there. He's there to him and Pam end up getting married, and they have kids, and he works to support his family and to support Pam. And he's someone that, like, as a viewer of the show, everyone looks up to. Everyone wants to be a great dad like Jim. Everyone wants to have, a great job and be just a great person overall. Um, and he never lies. He's always very truthful with the staff about what's going on. They caught him in a lie one time, and he admitted everything, and they all forgave him. He's just very. He's just a great guy. So that leads me to my ethos, which would be Michael Scott. Uh, Michael Scott is a character himself. He's the boss of the office, of Dunder Mifflin, Scranton branch. What the big question when I was watching The Office the first time is, why does everyone listen to and follow Michael Scott? Why don't they get a new boss in? And the reason being is he has the most experience over everyone. He's been over the company 14 years. By the end of it, it's almost 20 years. He basically he used to be a salesman at the office and was the top salesman 2 years straight. So he is the leader. Time and time again, he looks out for each and every one of the staff members in the office. He always has, group meetings and brings them all together and talks about, not really about the stuff going on in the office, but just gets them all together and as a family. His branch's numbers are the best in the company. He has the best numbers throughout every other different branch at Dunder Mifflin. And you see that as the seasons progress, that he just becomes a better and better manager. You think that he's not doing a lot and he hates working, but in reality, he's motivating his team to do a great job, his staff members to do a great job for him, so he doesn't have to really work that hard. But yeah, that's Michael. That's my whole skit. I really think that Michael is the ethos, and that I can see that Dwight can kind of be a pathos as well, but I kind of kept it what I thought when I first heard the discussion. So that's why I have Dwight as the logos and Jim as the pathos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think, or if you have any other people that you'd rather put in there.